I have sat in boardrooms where everyone was talking about AI, but very few people were asking questions. That's when I realized the issue wasn't AI literacy, it is AI anxiety. As someone who has spent years in both technology leadership and boardrooms, I've noticed something very interesting. Most leaders understand that AI is important. They know it's changing business and business processes. They know it's impacting strategy. They know it is something they need to pay attention to. But knowing AI matters and understanding AI are two very different things. What I often see is leaders feeling pressure to appear knowledgeable instead of being curious enough to learn. So they stay quiet. They avoid asking what they think are basic questions. They nod along, and sometimes they leave the room with the same uncertainty that they walked in with. That's not AI literacy. That's AI anxiety. AI literacy doesn't mean you need to become a technologist. It just means you understand enough to ask thoughtful questions. How is AI being used? What are the risks? What are the governance implications? How are we protecting our stakeholders like customers, employees, and shareholders? As leaders, our responsibility isn't to know everything. Our responsibility is to ask the right questions. The organizations that will navigate this moment successfully will not be led by people pretending to have all the answers. They'll be led instead by the people who are willing to learn. And in my experience, curiosity is far more valuable than competence is when it comes to AI. The question isn't whether your organization is using AI. The question is whether your leaders are AI literate or simply AI anxious. And if they are anxious, what can be done? My next video will cover a logical 3-step framework of how the board can drive oversight for AI and simultaneously overcome AI anxiety.